Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to study about your chapter number 9, class 12, geography. Chapter number 9, that is plant development for planning and sustainable development in Indian reference to context. From there I have picked this one topic, that Indira Gandhi Canal command area, that is the foremost in India's planning to make its agricultural sector development. For agricultural sector development, as we know that irrigation plays very important role for the crops. If irrigation is availability is there, water available is there, then even desert area can be flourish. And that happened with this Indira Gandhi Canal Command Area Development Program that was majorly done for command area of this particular, because here means of irrigations were very less due to that these crops don't give appropriate its fruit. We can say appropriate fruit. We cannot output production is not appropriate. For that, it program has been launched and it gives its very fantastic results. This Indira Gandhi command area gave its very fantastic results, like it gave first very important, it gave the rise in the level of the water, because if a river canal is there, canals are there, water abundant of water is available, and with that abundant of water, irrigation facilities, and moreover that land up to one limit curious about water, and after every time when it gets water in appropriate quantity quality, then its fulfillment is there, and when that fulfillment is there, ultimately the output of the crops will be more, and that is the very important from this Indira Gandhi command area. Then fertility of the soil is also increases if water is there. Fertility of the land is increases if availability of water is there, and if we talk about different type of more impacts, then it has given employment to the different people, employment. It has abolished desertification. It has given good quality of drinking water, development of transport system, and when all these things are developed, ultimately there would be development of agricultural system also. When agricultural development system is there, ultimately it will lead to the prosperity of the citizens, and most of the population belong to these areas, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, that where this Indira Gandhi Canal Development Program was started. It gave a big push to the farmers of that particular area so that they can grow even rice type of crops in the some areas of Rajasthan. Although it is the crop there in Punjab and Haryana, but in some area of Rajasthan this is grown, and you will be surprised to know that with the help of this Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan, even in the areas of Jaisalmer, where it is totally desert, sandy area, it also flourished into greenery, where a lot of greenery with the help of this water irrigation system. When we talk about this one agricultural development, simultaneously there is industrial development also, because such type of industry that used raw material based on agriculture, they take raw material from agriculture, cotton, sugar, some type of oil seeds. They are this type of industries also developed with the help of this irrigation facility of this river water, and very important afforestation. Afforestation means to say grow more and more trees. When there is long river, कोई भी नदी जाती है इस टाइप से, when along with that we have to make different type of bunds, and for that to make it closely, to make it strength, to get the soil hold, we plant more and more tree. Indirectly or directly it affect the afforestation also. That is very important, very significant nowadays in our, to balance our ecosystem, to balance our ecosystem. Plantation, afforestation is very important. That is also done through with this Indira Gandhi Development Canal area. And when afforestation is there, ultimately it has changed the cropping pattern also. Like earlier I mentioned that it has changed the cropping pattern. Some areas of Rajasthan have started growing rice like, sugarcane like crops in some areas, like in district Ganganagar, there is sugarcane and rice are grown near Hanumangarh. We know that Masita Wali head, that is the main second stage of head of this Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan. There this जिसे हम कॉमन भाषा में बोलते हैं कि ये नाली वाली ज़मीन है, इसके पास का जो एरिया है वहाँ पे राइस उगाया जाता है. माई सेल्फ विजिटेड दैट एरिया एंड सॉ दैट rice is being grown there. So it is a fantastic change in the cropping pattern of this area due to this Indira Gandhi Canal. So in this way I have tried to tell you about the development of different type of civic amenities, development of pastures, soil fertility, cropping pattern, greenery flourish, and availability of agricultural development. Not only agricultural but also industrial development is there. And you know that when there is agricultural development as well as industrial development, ultimately it will provide the opportunities of employment. It will give the opportunity of employment. To check the desertification, availability of drinking water and transportation. Overall these points are there. How important this Indira Gandhi Canal system for us. Now let us see about its origin, place of the origin. Indira Gandhi Canal, its origin place is Harike Barrage. Harike Barrage, let us see on map. Right, Ghangar plains के पास है. वहाँ पे it starts from there near पंजाब, right? पंजाब और राजस्थान के यहाँ पे है. तो इसकी फर्स्ट स्टेज यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है up to like that here it get first stage, then its second stage, then its third stage is here Barmer channel from this Jaisalmer to Barmer, right? From here it is its second stage. Right, I have written here its first stage started from Harike Barrage. If we talk about the origin, the work starting for this Indira Gandhi Canal, it was started on 31st March 1958. 31st March 1958. And Kanwar Sen was the name of that person who got initiated for this work, Kanwar Sen. And its first stage, second stage and third stage. And its capacity of this Indira Gandhi Canal, that is 40 meter width, you know the in this way wide, you may see here also near Sangria. Then approximately 6.5, 6 to 7 meter deep, depth is like that. And then if we talk about the states through which this Indira Gandhi Canal flows, Indira Gandhi Canal river water flow, it flows through 3 states, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Punjab, that is Harike Barrage. In Rajasthan, here in Haryana, it's a little part, approximately 19 kilometer. 19 kilometer from state of Punjab, it runs its water flow through approximately 150 kilometer from here, right? Here to here, 150 kilometer. Then the second stage is there from this Masita Valley head to this one. And in Rajasthan, this is the whole, and approximately it covers, it takes its third stage Barmaid is the tip point, final point of this canal, of this Indira Gandhi canal. If I talk about this one, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Barmaid, then Ganganagar and Mangarh, right? Ganganagar and Mangarh, और इसमें कुछ underlift and upperlift areas होते हैं. This is underlift area, and here somewhat Churu or this stays like this from Ganganagar to Bikaner when this river water flows. It goes there, river water flows, it goes there, and that is its first stage, that is area covered by this is total, we can say 2,377,725 square kilometer. To say 2,37,735 square kilometer area is covered by this river basin, we can say canal basin, this one, and approximately how much once time the bed capacity of this river water, this canal is, we can say that is 40 meter and depth is 6.4. Simultaneously at the time how much water flows through this, that is 18,500 cubic, right? Cubic is the unit to measure the water volume in that particular, in that flow river of water. In this way, यहाँ हरी के बैराज से U-turn लेता है रिवर ब्यास सतलुज, राइट? तो यहाँ पे इनकी त्रिवेणी होती है, दैट इज जिसे हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज में हरी के पत्तन बोलते हैं. नियर अमृतसर एंड ब्यास ये एरिया पड़ता है. वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक. बैराज इज देयर, इट इज लाइक like a tourist place also. You may go there and see. In this way, this starts from Harike Barrage and ends here in Barmaid. That is the last point in between. This is first stage, second stage, third stage. Total area, water, capacity, streets, head of the canal in here it is Masita Valley, मानगढ़ के पास है. District गंगानगर, तहसील संगरिया and district गंगानगर. That is Masita Valley head, and its first flow started on 11th October 1967, and its initiated place of origin was done on 31st March 1950. In this way, I have tried my best to show you the basics and elaborated the things with the help of this map, these 3 stages of Indira Gandhi command area, Indira Gandhi Canal command area. Thank you students, take care.